7:21 right now. The beautiful Laura Styles is here. What's up, lady?
Hey, what's going on?
Rosenberg here, trying to recover from the bachelor party.
I'm back, baby.
Feeling good?
Oh, yeah, I was turned up this weekend, though.
Yeah, you had like 19 chicks, couple of strip clubs.
We had
stripper put your face in her nether regions.
Yeah, that was a bit much, I gotta be honest with you. I was not all about that life. I don't want to be the stripper's nether regions. But I did have, there were like 3 different groups of girls who came through. It was pretty luxurious.
And these were girls that you set up, so we have to commend you. Salute
No,
you.
actually, I'm gonna take it a step further than that, bro. 2 of the groups I set up. The 3rd group I met at Harrah's pool party on Saturday, and then took them and brought them back on Saturday night.
Oh, my G.
You were recruiting?
Yeah, and she was black, and I gotta be honest, probably over an 8.5. Thank you very much,
Yo,
Juanito.
it sounded so crazy when he was like trying to get credit,
She was black?
credibility out here. And she was black?
And she was black.
Excuse me?
And above an 8.5? Pretty good. Now, that said, did she?
Yes.
No,
No, she did not. No.
absolutely not.
No!
She did not perform for him.
No, but I didn't ask her to, so you never know. Maybe she would have.
Yesterday in the room here, we were talking just, about our lives. And young Brittany Scott tells us about an event she was at. Brittany, grab the microphone. Where she's working, and her ex shows up with his new girl.
Mm-hmm.
And he and her, what were you guys doing, giggling?
Yeah, we were laughing. We thought it was funny.
Who thought it was funny?
We thought it was funny that he was there with his new girl. He didn't expect to run into me. And she didn't. I don't think she knew
no.
who I was.
So y'all
But
were
when she wasn't looking, what were you guys doing?
Laughing. We had to take the elevator upstairs. Like, I had to kind of...
So
Y'all were
you
kikiing
three,
together?
You 3 were in the elevator by yourselves.
There was one other person in the elevator.
So when she wasn't looking, you 2 were looking behind her, laughing.
Yeah, we just started laughing at each other.
Oh my
Disrespect.
God! You can't be.
Yo, let me tell you
kikiing.
something. If his girl would have turned around and punched you in the face, she would have been in the right.
You were
So
Whatever.
it started a conversation.
Whatever.
Whatever.
Do you want to know if you're in the room with
Yes.
your partner's ex?
Yes, I want to know.
No.
I don't want any surprises. Just tell me. I don't want
Brittany,
nobody
you
to
don't wanna
run up
know.
on me.
No. I don't think I need to know.
If they're laughing behind your back,
Yeah, in that case,
I'm
I would
not
want.
laughing at her. It's just the situation that's funny. Like, he came with
I
his
don't know.
ex.
I
all
wanna
right,
know.
enough out of you.
Girl.
I want to
Take
know.
her microphone away.
She's like, ha ha ha. We used to bone. Yeah, I don't want that kid being
I
played.
screwed your man.
Yeah. Ha, so funny.
Rosenberg, do you want to know if you're in the room with
Yeah, I would
your
need
wife's
to know.
ex?
Yeah, probably. I mean, I'd like to know. Not if they. I don't necessarily need to know if she just knew the guy or but if it was someone she actually dated.
Right,
Yeah,
that's
I
how I
think I
feel
need
too.
to know.
724, we want to take your calls and hear from you. Do you want to know if you're in the same room with your partner's ex? I think I'm good unless I need to know. Because people start acting funny, you will know.
Of course.
People start acting a little uncomfortable and awkward. You know off the rip. And why y'all acting awkward? Y'all still got feelings for each other?
No.
Because it shouldn't be awkward.
The fact that Cast One didn't just play "I Don't Want to Know." That's the song. I don't want to know.
Shut up, Rosenberg.
Sorry.